What's up guys, in this video we are going to create two different houses in 3D using AI. Okay, so we're going to use the software called Tripo 3D. Okay, so it's a AI website which can help us to create 3D objects. There are different pricings. For free we can actually get 300 credits, which with that we can actually create up to 12 different models. Now if you want to have higher credits, then you will have to make a purchase. Okay, so we're going to go with this free option now. I'm going to use my Google account to sign in. So I'm using ChatGPT here. I'm asking ChatGPT to write a prompt to generate a 3D model of a wooden house for Tripo AI. So it's basically giving me a lot of different styles. So I'm going to pick two of them from here. So first one is going to be this low poly wooden house. Okay, so that's the prompt that ChatGPT has given me. So I'm going to copy that. Okay, let's go to Tripo AI here. So I'm going to paste it, and this command is going to basically use up 25 credits. So we have 300 credits. Out of that, 25 credits is going to be used to generate this first house. Okay, so this is a simple low poly model. So it's going to take some time to generate. And meanwhile, we can actually learn how to use the mouse buttons to navigate through this 3D space just to see how the model is. Okay, so while it's generating, it's giving us a little outline. Okay, now there it is. Okay, so that's the low poly house model. Okay, so as you can see, it actually comes with texture, and it also has some normal map just to show some details all over there. We can basically export this. We can take it directly to Blender, or we can also export it as OBJ or FBX, and then we can bring it into Maya or any other 3D software. Okay, so there's a direct export to Maya, which is in process, so hopefully it will come soon. Okay, so let's go ahead and just delete this command, and let's bring in the second prompt. Okay, so this is basically a little bit more highly detailed and more a bigger house. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the generate model. So this is again going to take up 25 credits, and you can see it's basically looks like a two-story house. All right, so let it generate. There you go. Okay, and you can see that there's fine details on the windows and things like that, but it's not perfect. There are mistakes you can find in the windows, but this is really quick and easy way to create any kind of model that we want.